Hello, this is your gentle farmer, Edu Abebio. I really want you to listen to this young lady. She's a fashion designer, but now look at her. Inside her room, under her dining table. She's called Nanaya, by the way, and she's a motivation to some of the young ladies who want to go into animal farming. Actually, she's a graduate from KNUST and she loves farming. You see, she's just trying all her best. In fact, all kinds of pressure that she can give me just to make sure that these birds survive. You can do it. The false information and the perception that when you invest into animal farming, your birds will die is never true. There is a lot of good thing about animal farming. So I will encourage each and everyone to involve himself. We can do it. We can do it. And I hope we listen to our inner self and involve ourselves in that. Thank you. Kindly like, share, and follow for more. In fact, listen to what I was saying here. Thank you.
3 months.
3 months. All dreams with the best. In him. Hey, young man, kivo. Abo when you wait 2 months 1 week. 2 months 1 week. Wait 2 months 1 week. 2 months 1 week. The Saturday and then Friday. Watch I know when you're 2 months 2 weeks. About where I think you think.